Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah and this is my wife Nancy. And we purchased this Ford Transit crew van to convert into a camper van. So join us in our few episodes in this amazing DIY transformation and some of our van life adventures. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And just a recap from our last video. We finished installing the two support beams, the side of the wall in each side. And that's with two 2x4s. And they are bolted on by 5 bolts to the steel wall of the van. Then we installed 4 cross beams, also by 2x4, across. And each side is held by 4 galvanized brackets to hold them in place.
I'm so late, you sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel.
Then all wood was taken out and Nancy primered and painted all the 2x4s. Then the painted wood would be later put back into the van into its correct position. And so we picked up this 1/2 inch 4x8 plywood for $57 to support our bed mattress.
So the rain stopped. We're gonna put everything back out.
And the next day there was a little bit of rain, but then it stopped and dried up, and so we're back outside, back at it again. Then we're gonna work on the plywood 4x8 sheet that's gonna sit on top of the 2x4s, and it's gonna hold up our mattress. Okay.
Action. Oh no, oh no. Okay, that was dangerous. Don't do that.
Don't do that. All right. Here we go. We're gonna cut out the plywood for the bed. All right. We cut out 74 inches. Here we go.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait.
Then I'll take my drafting paper and put it against the wall and trace out the edge and corners of the pillar of the van. So I got a measure to here, measure from here to here. I just put it on here, traced it out this way and this way. And now I've got this. I'm going to cut it out and see how well I did. Okay. Okay, here's my so-called template. Let's see how well I did. Okay, over here. Okay, not bad. Pretty good. I'm just gonna trim this area a little bit here, and actually looks pretty good. Okay.
Second time.
Second time's a charm.
You look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
Okay, there we go. This is what we're gonna cut out. Whew.
Straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Down. More to go. Then a quick sanding on the corners. Okay, so we got the plywood inside here, but we can't get it to seat down. mainly because flat sit down because my insulation here is a little bit too thick, so we can't get it to sit down properly on the cross member. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna need to cut off 1/2 inch here, and on the other side here also another 1/2 inch, which will give us the clearance for the plywood to sit firmly on the cross member. Okay, here we go again. Whew. So now I'll be putting quite a bit of holes on the plywood so the mattress will breathe and we won't have any problems with mold. Then I'll use a 1-inch spade bit to put more holes in between the other ones to give it more ventilation. And some more sanding again around the holes to get rid of the rough edges and some of the splinters. Yeah, so the hole with the hole cutter turned out pretty good. Sanded it, but when I used the spade drill, it really chewed up on the other end. Thank goodness this end is the underneath the bed, so the other side looks much better. So we'll have to sand this down really good. Actually, I take the file. I'll take the file to it first, and then I'll sand it down with the sander after.
Okay, today I'm gonna primer the plywood for the bed frame.
So notice we cut the plywood into 2 pieces. This makes it much easier for us to put it back onto the 2x4 platform.
Okay, I'm painting the second coat.
That's right, Nancy's gonna paint the second and final coat onto the plywood before we put it back into the van. And here it is, installed on top of the 2x4 cross beams. And used 1 1/4 inch construction screws to fasten it down. And so we ordered a 8-inch memory foam mattress, full size, at Amazon for about $265. I watched some videos, people trying to get away with 4-inch mattress, but I think that 6-inch mattress would be the minimum. So instead we went with 8-inch because we want to be comfortable sleeping in the van. And I'm telling you right now, we've already slept in the van, and 8-inch mattress is perfect. I would suggest 8-inch mattress. It was kind of heavy, so we want to check out how much it weighed. 40.8 pounds, so about 41 pounds. Okay, that's got a bit of weight on it for sure. And so the size of the mattress was about 53 inches width and 74 inches length. Therefore, we had to trim off about 3 inches length so it would fit in the van wall to wall. So we pulled out our electric knife that we used to cut our turkey for Christmas and Thanksgiving, and that thing works like a charm. Cuts like butter.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead.
This is going to be corner of the bed. That's going to be the other corner of the bed. This is where it's going to be. So here's it. Here's I cut it out right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what we're going to cut out. X marks the spot. Okay, let's do it. If you remember, the width of the plywood is 48 inches long, and the width of this bed mattress is actually 53 inches. So this memory mattress will extend a few inches over the edge of the wooden platform. But that's okay because you won't even feel it, and it becomes flush to the back window of the van. Okay guys, look what I did over here. I grabbed it too hard, pulled over, and I broke apart the thing. So cheap foam, don't make the same mistake. Don't grab it little piece, grab the whole thing like this if you're gonna handle it. Okay, learn from my mistakes. So once after the cutting's all done to the correct size, we'll just put the sleeve back on and zip her back up.
Be ruthless.
Okay, we're underneath. We're putting the bed mattress in. So it's just gonna pull it this way. Oh, shit. Oops.
Maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast. Cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine. I'm not wasting any more time.
And if you noticed, a little sneak peek of the walls that we built in the van, and that will be on our next video. So if you guys like my video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next episode. And just remember, I can build the bed, but the wife makes it into a home.